Okay, they're all arriving in a big Uber. I'm going to be meeting them. This is Yay, they made it! We're here! We've arrived and this is going to be our apartment for the next 6 days. Dos baños, dos cocinas.
Are there still those bullfighting shows? Or
Yeah, over there, right? Yeah, you still get bullfighting seasons in April. And we're shoe shopping before our classes start tomorrow. Look at that. Oh, let's see what she's chosen. Oh, she's going to try those. And let's look at Emily. Okay. Alright, yeah, I like the color.
This one. I haven't tried this one.
And Kat's looking at
In the same direction.
skirts. Okay. Tips for buying your shoes. Make sure that the length fits you as well as the width, because if the length and the width don't fit, if it's too tight, it'd be really painful to dance in. And after that you can choose other things like the heel. Ole! Shop number 2 here in Sevilla. Look at all these heels. This is day 1. They've just arrived.
Excited and exhausted.
Excited and exhausted because they've just arrived. Okay, let's go.